Okay, so SyncPod has been running for almost what 2.5 months na, 3 months na.
Talaga ba?
Mm.
It's been
Kasi
that long?
we started around the latter end of March. Mga 2 months pa lang naman pala.
2 months.
So, and most viewers know naman that this podcast started as a school project and that since the semester, my semester is ending, it will also conclude the this school project. So
Predictions.
this the sync pod is no longer a requirement. We're no longer required to do this stuff. But does that mean we're done?
Nope.
Exactly. It's just that itong SyncPod will be is a school project. It was made from a school project, but it's always been a passion project. A thing that Una and I wanted to do since the
Since
pandemic,
pandemic,
and I think
yes.
we've talked about this a lot of times now, and we're just excited to relaunch the SyncPod after this semester because we get to record on our own pace. We get to talk about more pressing topics. We get to say more words than what we're supposed to. Diba? So I'm very enthusiastic and
Pero boss,
excited. And of course, syempre, we'll um we'll give updates on what we're gonna do. We're planning on doing a total overhaul in the sense na this overlay is gonna go. This we're gonna get. I hope I can get a new camera. I should get a new
good
camera
for
before
season.
season 2 starts, diba? And
Mm.
we will siguro will be taking I don't know kasi Uno will be starting college din in a bit, so we'll have to work our schedules na rin uh, to find time for the sync pod. Pero I think it will improve our content kasi even though it's not gonna be as often as how it's currently uploaded.
Wala na tayong kailangang sundan na schedule.
Uh,
So
we
wala tayong time restraints.
Tsaka wala na tayong
We
parang
freedom.
we don't we no longer feel the requirements to make a video just because we
Mm.
have to. It's gonna be natural. It's gonna be more organic. It's gonna be more of more towards the direction Uno and I initially wanted it to. Kasi, of course, diba? Even though we're doing this podcast right now, it's not really the best. We're not really going all out. Because there are things that we have to adhere to. There are things that we have to follow. There are things that at the same time restrain and force us to do. So it's not really a hassle, but it's really something that we're excited to let go. And after this after this these next few weeks, we will be concluding this first season of the Sync Pod. Take a break, revamp, and then yeah, provide better content, more more conversations and more guests. Sana may sponsors na rin. So, yeah. Are you excited nun, no? Kasi I
I
know,
think it'll be
oo,
more fun para sa ating dalawa na
talaga.
wala tayong masyadong restrictions.
Yeah, I'm
We get to
excited.
do it when we actually want to do it.
I'm excited to just open my camera and then just sit down, no longer worrying about my posture, saying,
Mas lalabas yung yung mga napanood nila sa trailer. I think mas lalabas na yun.
totoo. Parang, mas, ano na siya, mas magiging apparent na siya, mas magiging common. And I think that's what's gonna draw people towards our product. And I'm all for
Mm.
it. Diba? Tsaka,
Kasi yun naman talaga yung gusto natin.
oh,
We don't want it to feel like trabaho siya. Kasi like they said, diba, if you love your job, you don't have to spend a single day working.
if you love your job, you don't have, you shouldn't feel like you're doing a job.
Yeah.
And in some ways, I don't feel like I'm forced to do this. But at the same time, considering the restrictions and the things that we have to follow, it does feel like a half job. Pero, ayun nga, we will be recreating this podcast. We will be improving this, and I'm very excited for what comes next dito sa Singapore. Capish?
Capiche?